Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. We take tons of trades in and out super fast, but as of lately, I'm gonna be honest, we haven't been going crazy. We actually have been trading lightly since we're about to end the month here, about to secure another payout this month. All we have is just 3 more days. And then we could take another payout this month. We already paid ourselves one time this month. We can pay ourselves about 2 times this month. We have a chance. Now, I'm gonna show you guys today's live trades that I just took. One being on gold, which was freaking insane. As you can see here, now it's going in favor. But it was chopping. Totally okay though. I'm gonna show you guys how I manage chop. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what a failed break-in retest looks like, whether to the downside, whether it's to the upside. But this one was on the downside, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what that looks like now. Let's go over the live trade. Let's break it down so that you guys can learn how to manage a trade like this. It was insane. What an interesting trade. This is one of those trades where I can show you guys confidently what a losing trade looks like. Look at this break of structure to the downside, which is my type of style of trading. You can see all I did was grab this most previous low, this wick here, and extend it all the way out. And you can see in New York City session market open, we did do somewhat of a bounce here, reject here, create even a lower high, which even looks like somewhat of a head and shoulders for a nice bearish downside action. Then we get the breakdown here, which for me, that's a breakout. All I need is a pullback retest entry, except I was watching the price action here, watched the price kind of pull back here, saw a nice sell-off here again, and then I entered on this candle right here. Nice little sell-off. Guys, you guys saw off the screen recording, literally, this thing almost stopped me out here. Almost. I was literally just like a few dollars or $1 away. Then it pulled all the way back and I got out here. So I'm very thankful I did. And it would have stopped me out again here, went all the way back in favor. So this is just a wild trade. Overall, this is literally what it looks like for a failed break and retest because all the chop here. You can see it's climbing down now, but even then, like, this is crazy. Essentially, I need the move to happen like boop, boop, right away. You know what I'm saying? So just wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like to have a losing trade, or just what a losing trade looks like. Now, I know we did talk about, we would go over yesterday's P&L. So yesterday we did take that trade and swung it for a $100 loss, which put us up at a negative $158. Today we just took a $178 gain. This week is just up $19, really not that much. But the monthly P&L we're up is $1,600, which again is really not that much. We did pay ourselves $600 of that, so really now we're only up about $1,000, as you guys can see on our balance. And we plan on taking another payout here within the next few days. So my first 5 days of green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I took a payout. Then we have another 1, 2, 3. So I just need 4, 5 for another payout, and I'm gonna pay myself again. So hope you guys enjoyed this little quick session of the trade that I took and what it looks like to have a failed trade. So that was very simply how I manage the chop. I mean, I just set very simply my stop loss, already accept how much I would be losing. For an example, I was up just 160 at the time. If I lost $100, which I set for $100 stop, plus some fees, of course, so $100, I would be only up $60. That's not worst case scenario. That's not that bad. That's just like $60. Willing to risk $100 on this trade to try to gain, of course, some good gains. I'm up 160. I'm willing to risk 100 to try to gain some more, right? If I lose, how much am I willing to lose realistically? I mean, $100. I could lose $60 to be up 100. Like, you just got to do the math in your head. I could lose $60 since I was already up 160 at the time. I could lose 60 to be up 100. I could lose 50 to be up 110. I could lose 40 to still be at 120. You know what I'm saying? Things like that. Except I adjusted for a $100 stop. It didn't stop me out, but it almost did. And then it came all the way back to break even. Just exited out for a quick little $10 gain. And that is how we ended the day at $170. Really not that much, not that impressive, but we still have a few more days to try to end for like a little $150 days so that we can collect payout. Or I can just go crazy and try to attempt some fat, crazy gains. I could try to do that too. Anyways, hope you guys have a great ass day. Catch you guys on tomorrow's video.